for the commercial customer. And that step is that for commercial customer, anybody who is interested to take the gas for their restaurants or hotels, they need not to pay upfront the security deposit in GNGPL as per the earlier policy. Now what I have done, their security deposit can be converted to equal number of EMIs, and what you will have that this EMI will be inbuilt to the billing, monthly billing or whatever it is. PNG always cheaper than LPG. Whatever the LPG prices are there, our PNG price should be minimum 10% cheaper than that. We have already covered 15 restaurants, including some kind of confectionery also, like Bread Mart in Panjim or some hotel in Ponja. Now coming to the third business segment which GNGPL has is about the CNG. Of course, CNG has got a tough time now because gradually from the March to October you have seen that almost 30 rupees has been increased. But this is nothing to do with that because the government has increased the price. But I'm sure that over a period of time the prices will come down, and this scheme of CNG, using the CNG is still cheaper by 50% by the alternate fuel of diesel and petrol. So meaning thereby that still if you use the CNG in a way that it will be economical for running the car. I understand Goa is going to be a very environmental friendly state.